Standard 12. Unit 1 Read 1. Can you instill love? Prepared by Mehul Bhal.
This story is about a person trying to install love in their heart, just like installing a program on a computer. A customer service rep helps them. First, the customer has to open their heart, but there are some old negative programs running like past hurt, low esteem, grudge, and resentment. The customer service rep explains that love will automatically get rid of past hurt and replace low esteem with high esteem. But to get rid of grudge and resentment, the customer needs to use forgiveness many times. Once those are gone, love starts to install automatically. However, an error message appears, meaning the customer also needs to love themselves first. This means copying files like forgive self, self-esteem, realize worth and goodness into their my heart directory and deleting self-critic. After doing this, the customer's heart fills with wonderful feelings like smile, warmth, peace, and contentment. Finally, the customer service rep reminds them that love is freeware. It's free and you should share it with everyone you meet. When you share love, you'll get even more good feelings back.